Good afternoon. My name is Edgar Raúl Beltrán. I am a student psychology. Tokyo Travel Guide, the guide for travel. Itinerary. 1. Introduction of Tokyo. 2. Tour Shibuya and the Harajuku. 3. Visit Meishan. 4. Tour of Senshi Temple. 5. Tour of Shihiku. 6. Shopping Ginza. 7. Tour Eas Garden. 8. Tour of Asakusa. 9. Visit Tokyo C3. 10. Dinner at Tokyo 12. 11. Sumiya River Cruise. 12. Free time. Tokyo Facts. You must know that Tokyo is the most populous metropolitan area in the world. Time of year to travel. December, February, January. This is the shopping time of the visit Tokyo. Accommodation. Booking.com. Couchsurfing. Airbnb. Transport the go around Tokyo. In my opinion, is using the metro lines and trams. Tokyo destination. Tokyo food. What do eat? Ramen, sushi, tempura, wado. Tukansu, soba, takoyaki, sushi. Money and customary. And another fact to keep in mind is that in the happen it is now comes to live tips and it can consider right. Thank you. Thank you.